living her best life. Bye-bye. Have a good day. Whoa, oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 da. Making our Christmas memories. Okay, everybody say happy Vlogmas Day 6!
Happy Vlogmas Day 6.
Okay, are you ready to find the elf?
Yeah.
I hope he came back. I hope he came back. 1, 2, 3, go!
I'm gonna party.
Every day. Every single day.
Daddy, come on.
Alright, let's find the elf. Where are you going?
He's not in here.
Can you see? I can't see in there. It's dark.
We have to find him.
Where's the elf, Juju?
He's so tricky.
He's so tricky.
Ah, I saw something.
Where?
I think it's the elf. I saw something pop out there.
He wouldn't move already.
No. He went like, it went like, boom. It landed on the tree.
Yeah.
Ow.
Careful.
This was my head.
I saw. Careful.
I heard something. What was that?
Where do you think Mr. Snowball went today? Keep looking. Look in every corner of the house. Where are you going? Well, can you even see? I can't. It's dark.
I can't.
Well, I'm turning the lights on. You see under stuff?
I found it.
Oh my gosh, Snow! What are they doing? Sleepover? Did Snowball take? Oh my gosh, he stole all the snacks. Look at him.
Wait, I got
Oh, bye. Bella, he's having a sleepover.
What's the Barbie?
That's so funny. Okay, that is so funny, Snowball. You silly goofball. Silly goofball. I got you something. Scroll.
Nice, baby. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Black and gray?
Black and gray. Oh, no, blue and gray.
Blue and
I couldn't
gray.
find black. So, change of plans. I was gonna go work out on lunch. My job hires a personal trainer at lunch. I was gonna go do that, but my husband called and he ripped his pants. So I need to go buy him some pants and go rescue him real fast. So that's what I'm doing. And poor guy. Been at this red light for an hour and a half, basically.
Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
Unfortunately, I think Julian will be mad if I bring you in to give him the pants because he's at work. So I'm gonna leave you here and I'll be back after I deliver these. Oh my god. Alright guys, I delivered the pants and I'm heading back to work and I will see you guys later. See you after work, basically. Just coming on to say that someone's suing Velveeta because it doesn't take 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Because that's how long it takes to put it in the microwave. It takes longer because you have to put it in water and stir it. 15-page class action lawsuit. I can't. Guys, they're suing for $5 million. When and who would ever spend $5 million on macaroni and cheese in the entire lifetime. Even if you're John and Kate plus 8, you're not even gonna come close to that $5 million. Stop it. Let me wiggle your tooth.
Do you know how it was right now?
That's what your tooth is doing in your mouth? Every day after daycare, it is a mad dash to get food into their mouths. So today they have Easy Mac, and the babies have bottles.
Mom, I'm gonna show you what I got today.
Okay, let's see.
Where are you? That says Julian on the back. Amazing.
Stop! Wow!
They teach me how to make
That's
it.
amazing! Juliana. Wow. That's so good.
Also,
Huh.
you gotta put your room number.
Oh.
Uh-oh. It's not on there.
Funny. Alright, I'm gonna prep salmon and some meals for tomorrow for me and the hubby while I have
want this.
and while I have energy. It's not gonna be done today, it's for tomorrow.
I almost spit on you. How you doing? What's good? What's going on? What's going on? Mommy, it's struggling. Hold on.
Hey babe, tell me what happened to you today.
Oh God, let me help Mommy. Mommy need help here,
Tell me
Juju.
what happened to you today.
My friend raped something. Mama! Oh, stop.
Yeah?
Let me help you cut the thing. Move. Oh my goodness, what did you do?
Shut up! Hi. Hello.
Okay.
Well, stop choking yourself with it, maybe.
This is fish skin.
No, that's fine. You want something else?
Yeah.
Got
Skin like a salmon.
cute.
This is the example of what not to do.
Shut up.
And this is the example of what to do.
Oh, I see some shit on
All
there.
you need is a grape. It was intentional. And all the rest
Clean
is...
the counter. Would you like a bite of soup? Okay. All right, we're doing Mentos and Diet Coke. Let's see the Mentos. Okay, put it in. Both of them at the same time. Buck up. Woo!
Wait.
That was so cool. Was that just the most cool? Good. See that?
See what?
The mist. It's really pretty. You want the rest of this?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Taking off your socks.
It'll be minty. Dinner. Chicken. Brown rice and quinoa. Broccoli. Sriracha. Mmm. It's not coming out. I don't want. So if you haven't been following me or like know me, hi, I'm Brianna and I'm the mother of 4 and I've carried 5 womb baby children, parasites, and I am looking to change basically my double chin mostly. I don't want to talk too much about like going on a weight loss journey because first of all, it's kind of scary because I might get like a little crazy loca about it. I'm not like loving that. So I want to be healthier. I don't really want to lose weight. I do want to get in shape. I want to fuel my body. That is the loudest dishwasher in all of history. Sorry. But not sorry. I have to clean these little guys because no toys, don't come up here. I don't know what I was talking about.
It's Merry Christmas.
Oh, I want to clean up my diet. I want to fuel my body happily, and I want to be healthier, and I want to be more fit.
Today is Christmas. Today you're going to bed, and then you have to find it out.
Ugh. Okay, it's bedtime.
Yes, it
I'm
is.
gonna go get Juju.
Yes.
Go start turning off the lights and go get Juju. Anyway, so I think I'll share little bits and bobs about what's going on. We is me and husband. We are gonna be like meal prepping pretty healthy. We are gonna have bomb ass cheat days though, so stay tuned for those. I just know that the way I'm living isn't exactly healthy. It's fun, but yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna eat this. I was gonna go work out, but I really shouldn't. My ankle's still really swollen, and I just really want it to heal. I think I'm gonna take some ibuprofen, try to get the swelling down, prop it, let it heal up, and I have a good range of motion. I'm like playing with ow. So I'm just trying to be really gentle with it. I want it to heal, and I don't want to exacerbate or perpetuate is the word I'm looking for. I don't want to perpetuate the injury. So the bae is gonna get home, and we're gonna make stir fry and have a little fun. Also, like, I don't know why I'm so scared, but I would love to lose 5 pounds this week and 5 pounds next week. I can. I have an excess. It's alright. A lot of my weight is in my arms and my tummy, just mom things, and my face got really big, so just gonna be, I guess this is just a warning. If you don't want to see this content, don't watch. But if you do want to see this content, I'm gonna be talking about it, maybe posting a journey. I want this to work. I want it to go well. See, I've already implemented like greens, doing smarter greens, and also total beets every day. I'm really just trying to get my body healthier. So we love it. I want to live till I'm 100 at least, so we gotta start taking care of this old bag. Anyway, I'll see you in the next clip. I'm going to enjoy this. Also, I got these from Costco. These are so good. It's the quinoa and brown rice with garlic. It's so good. So good. I split it in half, and I do half in one meal and half in another meal, and that's like a day's worth of rice. And I really dig it. It's very good. Very good. Very good. Anyway. You're cute and I love you. Alright, that's the end of today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for joining us. She's telling me it's bedtime, so we're gonna go to bed. Thank you for joining us. I love you. please subscribe. I would love to hit 100 followers, subscribers. We're almost there. Maybe we should do a 100 follower giveaway. I will do a giveaway. I'll talk about it tomorrow. Anyway, have a great night or day. Love you so much. I'm beautiful. You are beautiful. Your tummy's cute. I love you. Bye. Audrey, did you see that?